January 27th, 2025. A day history will remember as DeepSeek Monday. NVIDIA, the king of AI, suffered the biggest single-day loss in stock market history. Why? Because a tiny Chinese startup proved you don't need a $100 billion supercomputer to win. They did it for $6 million. OpenAI declared a code red. Google went into war mode. And the AI industry was never the same. This wasn't just a year of updates. It was a year of resets. Let's count down the 20 moments that actually mattered. Number 20, sovereign AI. France, Saudi Arabia, and India launched national models to break Silicon Valley's monopoly. 19, SynthID becomes law. Every AI image is now watermarked at the pixel level. The end of the untraceable deepfake. 18, AlphaFold 3. Google DeepMind effectively solved biology, mapping every protein interaction in the human body. 17, the medical generalist. AI models started passing medical residency exams, outperforming human doctors in rare disease diagnosis. 16, the humanoid laborer. Unitree's G1 robot, costing only $16,000, began working full-time shifts in BYD factories. 15, 1 million token context. Google made it possible to upload an entire 10-book series and ask questions about a character in Chapter 1. 14, AI-driven drug discovery. A new cancer treatment went from concept to human trials in just 3 weeks. 13, the $500 billion Stargate pivot. Microsoft and OpenAI abandoned raw power to focus on nuclear energy to feed their models. 12, Salesforce Agentforce. 50% of global customer service is now handled by agents that don't just talk. They actually solve the problem. 11, vibe coding. The barrier to entry vanished. If you can describe it, AI can build the entire app. No syntax required. Now, the top 10. These are the moments that change your career and your bank account. 10, the hardware graveyard. Dedicated AI pins and necklaces died. AI moved into your phone and your browser. 9, agentic browsing. OpenAI's Operator and Google's Atlas started booking flights and paying bills for us. 8, NotebookLM Deep Research. It became the sleeper hit of 2025, turning 400 sources into a viral podcast overnight. 7, Tesla Optimus V3. Elon's robot moved from a guy in a suit to a worker running autonomously in BMW factories. 6, the Great IT Reset. TCS laid off 12,000 employees. It was the first AI displacement event in history that targeted senior management. 5, Gemini 3 versus GPT-5. The war for the crown. In November, Gemini 3 officially surpassed GPT-5 in factuality. No more hallucinations. 4, coding agent domination. Cursor reached a $9 billion valuation. Professional coding changed from writing to editing. 3, Google's vertical mode. Google proved they're the only full-stack king. They own the chips, the cloud, and the AI. 2, the rise of small reasoning. Llama 4 Mini brought O1-level thinking to your smartphone. You don't need the cloud anymore. 1, DeepSeek R1, the model that broke the world. It proved that $6 million in clever math can beat $100 billion. It ended the GPU monopoly. So, what do the experts say about 2026? I spoke with lead researchers at DeepMind and OpenAI. Here is the consensus. First, the free lunch ends. Perplexity and ChatGPT will introduce sponsored responses. AI search is about to become an ad platform. Second, the orchestration premium. The highest paid person in 2026 won't be a coder. It will be the manager of agents, someone who can lead a team of 10 AIs. 2025 was the year AI stopped being a toy and became the engine of the world. The gap between those who use AI and those who don't isn't a gap anymore. It's a canyon. You watched this recap, so you're already ahead. Subscribe to stay there. What's your number 1 AI moment of 2025? Let me know below.